Welcome back. We are going to do the Sky Fibre connection on the inside with access to the data points, which is becoming very soon. We've had a quick look at what's been butchered here. We can't go down because literally about 4 inches and there'll be the ceiling for the stairway, so obviously we can't go any further down, so everything's got to come from the top. So we were planning to come 450 off the floor, but now we're going to go about a metre from the floor and run power up, fibre out and down, and then we'll maybe consider doing boxing for the Ethernet ports when they all turn up with the Ethernet cables. So we're going to go ahead and find the centre again and measure off. I have my little apprentice with us. He's a little bit under the weather, but he's going to come and try and do a bit of drilling in on and off camera. So here we go. So we have, let's see, we've got 810, 810, 810, so that's not too bad. So we're going to half that, so it's 405.